Welcome to this lesson on analytical geometry, tangents to circles part 2. So here we want to find the equation of the tangent to the circle at the point T. So again, if I look and try and construct a tangent line, and I have the radius line here, then based off this, it looks like the gradient of the tangent is going to be negative because it's slanting left to right. And it looks like the C value, which is the y-intercept, is going to be just slightly less than -5. So it's going to be negative as well. But again, let's see if our geometry matches up with our algebra, because that is the point of analytical geometry, blending the worlds of algebra and geometry together. Okay, so I know that this is going to be perpendicular. The radius is always perpendicular to the tangent line. So what is the gradient of the radius line? So again, from -3 to 4, that's 7 across. And from -5 up to 4, that's 9 up. And it's going to have a positive slant. So the gradient is going to be 9/7. This implies that the gradient of the tangent line is going to be the negative reciprocal, so -7/9. And again, that makes sense from our geometry. So now we have the line y equals -7/9x plus c. Okay, so how do I find c? I need to substitute the point of contact, which was t -3, -5. So in place of y, I put -5. In place of x, I put -3. Plus c. Okay, so this implies -5 is equal to, so -3 goes into 9. Well, the -7 times the -3 will give you a positive, and then the 3 goes into 9 3 times. So you're left with 7/3 on the right-hand side plus c. Okay, and then I'm going to change -15 to be -5 to be -15/3 rather, because then that'll have a denominator of 3 and 7/3 plus c. Then lastly, I'm going to subtract 7 on 3 on both sides. I'm going to have c equals -15/3 minus 7/3. That's going to give me -22/3. Hence, the equation of the tangent to the circle at the point T is given by y is equal to -7/9 rather, x minus 22/3. And again, does that make sense? Does this algebra make sense with our geometry? Well, the gradient was negative and the c value is negative. And that made sense, okay, with this diagram that we drew. Awesome. That's how we would do this type of question. I'll see you in the next one.